How to attach documents to email on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your mailbox on your iPhone, and further, go ahead and tap on the compose option you see there. Next, tap on the insert link icon you see there beside the send button and then select the files option. Now go ahead and choose the file that you want to send and then tap on the open option. Further, go ahead and in the to text box enter the recipient's name whom you want to send the email to and add the subject and the body of your mail, and further tap on the send button, and with this the mail will be sent with the attached documents. So this is how you can attach documents to email on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.